Hi everyone, welcome back to the podcast. It's me and Dhana. And Dhana has some questions you guys have been asking, and we're going to try and answer them. I hope the answers which me and Dhana give you to your satisfaction, and it kind of helps you give some clarity as we get into next week into continuing our challenge of investing through the year. So, what is the questions that people are clamoring with, Dhana? What is the question?
Two questions, sir. First question was the Tata company list. Recent time the share market was corrected, so many of the Tata stocks also corrected, so they are having some doubts in the Tata stocks. And the second question was the our 52-week challenge questions. So we have only minimal amount of money to invest, so how we can allocate that we can discuss in the Sunday topic.
Sure. So we'll do Tata's today, allocation of funds tomorrow.
Tomorrow, sir.
Done.
So today the first Tata Motors. Current market price was 767.
767.
PE was 8.42. Industry PE 21. And the Tata Motors recent news was the Jaguar and Land Rover sales will be boosted up after premiumization. But there is one problem. What wholesale sales was 3% up for the Jaguar and Land Rover, but the retail sales was 3% drop. So I don't know what was happening in the Tata Motors, but they are expecting Tata Motors will give the profit in the Q3 because of the Jaguar and Land Rover. Sir, Q3 was not coming.
Fair enough, sir. You tell me. Because these all Gen Zs are like you only, right? So they'll be reading this news and analyzing it like this. Okay, I'll tell you what the problem with this analysis is.
Sir. So the Q3 also been good. So, okay, what was the Tata Motors? Because the price was 767, because we are considering in the term of 1000 also, we are not selling. 1000 also we consider, 900 also consider, now 800, now the 767. So what we need to know?
Okay, the way you're analyzing this, you are trying to go far, but you're constantly looking down, right? When you are
very accurate.
Yeah, so when you are trying to go far, yes, you can look down now and then to know where you're putting your foot, but most of your attention should be where you're going.
Okay.
If you focus too much on where you're putting your foot, you will not know if you're still going in the right direction. So Tata Motors, this price and this PE gives you the direction, right? This Q3, Q1, Q2 and all, don't worry about too much. Right? Don't focus too much on Jaguar sales, on Land Rover sales, about the new Jaguar logo, right? If any of those news are negative, the sales are down, the price goes down, it's good news for you.
Okay.
Because like I said, you have to look at Tata as a complete package. Jaguar, Land Rover are part of Tata Motors. But Tata Motors itself is going to split into two. You're going to get consumers and you're going to get the trucks and commercial vehicles are going to split, passenger vehicles are going to split into two.
Okay.
So there is going to be value unlocked over there. So Jaguar, Land Rover will go into passenger. Right? So all this is going to happen. And then you got other goodies inside Tata Motors. So these are all long-term prospects. Okay. So don't focus on this Q1, Q2 sales, Jaguar sales.
We need a dividend.
No, you do not.
If they make profit,
you don't worry about dividend. No, wrong. We want capital appreciation. Capital should go up. Capital is the amount of money you put in. That should grow.
Okay.
Right? Constantly, consistently, it should be growing. You don't want it to grow like Spandana, where 360 rupees went all the way to 500, then now it's back to where it started within 7 days. Okay? This happens, will only make you feel very nervous. If you see Tata Motors go from 700, okay, in the next 3 days it goes to, let's say, 1400, then next 3 days it comes back to 700, you will feel very nervous.
Okay.
Right? So I don't want to invest on stocks like this, and this is what you should focus on.
Okay, sir.
So right now, if the market is correcting it, and the reasons why market is dropping Tata Motors is because there's no bad news on Tata Motors. Market is correcting broadly. If you see, everything in the market is correct. So FIIs are pulling money out, and there are reasons for that on a macroeconomic level. That's none of our concern. For you, the next 15 years, you want to buy companies. Right now, this is on value. It is affordable, then buy. Tata Motors should be on your list.
Okay, sir.
Next Tata company.
Next Tata company, Tata Steel. Current market price was 125.
Yes.
PE of 47.
PE is?
47.
47.
Industry PE 23.52.
Yes.
But we are considering the range of Tata Steel around 105 also we are considering Tata Steel. Now the 125, it was went up to 140. Now it was.
This is another thing which you should remember when it comes to Tata Steel. Tata Steel is a great company.
Okay.
Right? My brother said it many times, how he bought it and how he held it and chorus and all that. So it's a company, if you're holding it for 15 years, you'll be fine. But the question is this P the right P you should be buying it at? That is something you will have to answer for yourself. You're asking me, I would not buy it right now.
Okay.
That's me. I'm not saying you should buy it or not buy it. That's your choice.
Okay.
It's a great company. 15 years, it will definitely go. This 15 years from now, 125 will probably be at 500 or maybe 900. Maybe, I don't know, whatever. Something, it'll be big. But is this the right point to enter it? I do not know.
Okay.
I would wait. That's me personally. But if your need for some steel in your portfolio, you need some steel sector exposure, take it if you want.
Okay.
But I would say, wait. Like I said in the other video which we did, in Tamil, English only I did. English only I did. Where I spoke about investing in Tata companies only for 5 years. We did it in English. I didn't do it with you. I did it alone. So in that, Tata Steel, one of those companies. Tata was 10 companies, which is a listed big company. Tata Steel, and it grew. The last 5 years, it's grown. The next 5 years, it may not grow as much as it did in the last 5 years. But if you're okay with that, sure.
Okay, sir. Tata Chemicals, next one. Current market price 968.
Tata Chemicals 968.
PE 39.
39.
Industry PE 48.93. So Tata Chemicals also, I think 900 we are considering, sir. Last time.
Yeah, you can. Like I said, Tata Chemicals, if you want to look at it, you can look at it. But if I had 900 rupees, I look at other things in the market.
Okay.
But if you're doing only Tata companies, then yeah, out of all the Tata companies, one of the companies is more. It's better to buy this than Tata Steel.
Okay, so if I add the 1,000 rupees of value, like our Gen Z level, so we can go for any other stocks instead of Tata Chemicals.
I would not. My advice would be just don't keep buying all Tatas. Though I did a video showing that you can make money just buying Tatas and you can do Tata indexing. Yeah, but my advice would be not to do that for a new investor, Gen Z investor.
And the next company, Tata Consumers. Current market price 966.
966.
PE 66. Industry PE 56.
It's very expensive.
Expensive.
It's a great company, but I would wait for it to correct.
Okay, sir. Simple. And
so out of all the so far, Tata Motors, Tata Chemicals are the two.
And balance 2 is there. Tata Power.
Tata Power.
Current market price 350. PE 30. Industry PE 20.
It's expensive. But the thing is, I don't know. Let me see how much is the median PE of Tata Powers. So the problem with Tata Power is
I'm also don't know about the Tata Power because I'm not tracking that company. But it was a common
great
question.
company. But the problem is the power sector. They're mainly operating in Maharashtra. See, the median where Tata Power usually sits is at around 23.
23.
Okay, so 23 if you're looking at, this is expensive right now. Even if you look at the industry, it's expensive. Even if you're individually looking at it, it's expensive. So I would wait for Tata Power.
Okay, sir. And the last company, sir, Tata Technologies. Current market price 808. PE 52. Industry PE 33. But it was nearly dropping below the IPO value, 900. So that was the question.
Well, a lot of you who got the IPO, my brother said buy it and forget about it. So people who have got the IPO, who got it, if you want to accumulate some more, sure you accumulate some more. But if you don't have Tata Technologies in your portfolio at all, I would say you can wait.
Still the correction may be happen. So it will be considered under the software industry or like IT industry or what industry, sir? Tata Technologies will come under?
I would put it under IT industry.
IT industry. Okay.
Because what is the PE of this?
52.
52. PE of TCS is 31.
31.
So, looking at IT companies, if you have to look at it. I don't know. My advice to Gen Z would be to buy ETF.
ETF.
If you're looking at software, buy ETF. But if you're looking at only Tata companies, so today's video is only about Tata companies,
yes, sir.
then I would say Tata Motors, Tata Chemicals, and that's it.
That's it. Out of 6, only 2.
No, because like I said, Tata Consumer is too expensive.
Okay.
Tata Steel is too expensive.
Okay,
Tata Power is too expensive. Tata Technologies also, I would say wait.
Wait. Okay,
because till Trump comes into power, we really don't know. Let Trump get sworn in. Let's see what happens to the dollar. And maybe there will be recovery at that point in time.
Okay, sir.
But I do one thing. Tata Technologies, find out who are their customers.
Okay.
How much of it is through export their revenue comes in. Do a bit of deep dive in Tata Technologies. Let's do that next week. Saturday. You do complete deep dive like what we did in Natco, no? Let's do that with Tata Technologies.
Tata Technologies.
Yeah.
I think I need to do, sir.
Yeah.
Because Tata Technologies also new.
Our viewers will also appreciate that. Dhana, do a Dhana touch on Tata Technologies.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Already they are expecting to deep dive into the Dr. Reddy. Need to continue that series. Not go Dr. Reddy.
But we'll take a break and do Tata Technologies.
Tata Technologies. Now we are diving into the software technologies.
Yeah, it gets very boring to eat the same thing over and over again. Now and then you should get variety rice.
Okay.
Right?
I think many homeworks you will give for me to the
Because it'll be anyway past Pongal. It'll be past Kanum Pongal, so we can have some variety rice.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah? So anyway, I hope you guys had a wonderful Pongal holiday. Those of you did do the celebration, or if you didn't do it, did enjoy the holiday, and you're back at it to start investing again from Monday. Hope you had a wonderful week. And this is Saturday, of course, so be careful when you're enjoying your revelries, as I always say on Saturday evening. Me and Dhana will come again tomorrow to give you advice on how to invest, especially when it comes to monthly investment, when you're Gen Z and you have limited funds and you're doing it once a month. See you tomorrow with that advice. Have a wonderful evening and a wonderful day. See you again tomorrow. Bye.
Happy Pongal.
Yeah, Pongal's over, man.
Okay.
Happy weekend.
Okay. Just we are recording before the Pongal now.
Before we're recording. No, happy Pongal, but Pongals are technically over for you by the time.
I create a shorts and before I publish into the Pongal.
Oh, wonderful. Anyway.
Just like a promo.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.